Hey traders, my name is Anna and this is Amin. Together we're going to have yet another live trading room. Hello, hello. This is going to be an interesting one as we have news incoming, really big news. So hopefully you are going to trade safely. We will try our best.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah. So we will try and do more like of analysis and we'll see what's going to happen and we'll wait. But the news are coming in just like 29 minutes. So it's going to be really interesting to see what is going to be the overall bias on Forex, on gold. So we're going to try and analyze, but the big news are here for the dollar. So if you are trading any dollar pairs, just please be mindful, use proper risk management and just make sure that, that everything is going to be according to your plan, because it is really, I'm trying to put the right words to, like, it's really sensitive. I don't know even how to say it.
Sensitive is a good word. It's very explosive even.
Explosive. Yeah. Yeah. So anyhow, just please make sure that you're using proper risk management and you're staying safe. So I think what I'm going to do is just try and analyze and just try and see what's going to happen with the market. But like I already had a look that, yeah, it's not looking too good. Everything is kind of, or maybe, you know what? I actually would like to see indices, how indices are going to move for the NFP. So this is going to be interesting for sure. So I had a wee look and I was like thinking to buy from here, but obviously I don't want to trade anything crazy,
You can try, but it should be a 1 minute scalp.
1 minute scalp, yeah. So anyhow, guys, if you have something in mind, then you can say, but what is it that you would like us to analyze? But yeah, I think I don't know, like honestly, I don't want to guess where the gold is going to go or where the dollar is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to react, because I think that's a better plan, to just react, right?
Always.
So yeah, anyhow, hello to everyone who's joining in. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Analysis on dollar, please. So yeah, like I really don't want to analyze the dollar, but I guess I could do some analysis on dollar just to see where it's going to go. Okay, let me remove this. I am going to share my analysis on gold. Let me see. Okay. Share.
Ada is addicted to analyzing I think you should almost trade it, Ada.
Right. Okay, so gold overall, not gold, DXY, so dollar. Let's go on a daily time frame just to try and figure out what's happening on a daily. So I have like this, let me see, this was the high. So this is like that support area, and we had a really nice pattern which is called double bottom, and you can see how the price went, touched that, created another bottom, and now we're bullish. And basically, this is actually really crucial area. And it's really interesting because it's going to happen through the news. So for me, I see obviously two options, which is normal, always all like that. But see this area in here, we either are going to, one would be react from this resistance and go lower, or because we had this, this pattern in here, so double bottom, right? And we pushed all the way. So I think what else can happen is we might, push higher and turn bullish. And I think this is really interesting area for the dollar to see what's going to happen. Are we going to break this, or we're going to retrace the support? So, I'm going to say nothing new to you guys. It's two things. It's either going to go up or it's either going to go down.
Yeah, I hope it's helpful, guys.
I hope it's helpful, right? It's either going to go up or it's either going to go down. So one of those things. But honestly, it's just, I think that's why it is so important to react to the market, right? So we are just reacting what the price is going to tell us. Like, look, if the dollar is going to smash through this level, right, then that means the EU and GU is going to plummet as well. Like we are going to be bearish, right? So if the gold, sorry, I'm saying gold, if the dollar is strong, then obviously the EU and GU, we are going to go lower. So yeah, it looks bullish to me, guys. Like honestly, when I look at this now, it does look bullish. It does.
Totally.
But at the same time, we might react. We might go lower. This is 4-hour time frame. We might do something like that, right? So it just really depends. And let me just remove my gold drawing. So, and also for the gold, I think for the gold, I don't know, like obviously again, need to think what is it going to happen. We need to think. Gold looks bullish as well. But yeah, for the dollar, we are in such an interesting area. And I can't believe this is going to happen in like 20 minutes. We'll know if it's going to be bullish or bearish. So it's crazy. Constantine says, up to the sky.
Hello, Nismi.
Hope you're doing good as well. Yeah, 1 trillion investment from Saudi and USA. I don't know what's going to happen. I honestly don't know. So I'm just interested to see what is it going to happen. What's going to happen?
Yeah, if we already know, we will already billionaires.
I know, right? So if you would know what's going to happen, then yeah. And the thing is, like, you could take a gamble now, and you could put, because it looks like now the price is in the zone, right, in the resistance. So you could be selling, right? But at the same time, so that means you're buying EU and GU, but that's a bit crazy, don't you think? That sounds a bit too excessive.
The market taught me that nothing is crazy.
Nothing is
Or
crazy.
everything is crazy.
Yeah, I guess.
So I learned it the hard way that I stopped trying to be rational with the market.
Okay, that's
and
interesting
just,
approach.
As you did, see the two possibilities and act
Yeah.
on what the market is showing me. This is the best way to do it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we will see. We will see what the market will do. But I think the main thing, though, is don't jump into quick conclusions. Just wait. Sit on your hands.
True.
Try and react to the price and just wait. Also, guys, if you're trading like senior account or any account with leverage except the sprint, then you have a news rule where it says you cannot trade 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. So it is really, really important that you obey those rules and you're not trading the news. So unless you're trading sprint account, because in sprint account you can trade the news. We have someone coming in and asking to analyze gold. Okay. I mean, can you do analysis on gold for us?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
So
let's go.
I will analyze it, but not taking trades for the moment. Because of the big news coming in 20 minutes, and me, you are lucky guys with the leverage. They have a rule of 5 minutes before and after the news. Me, on my rules of strategies, is 20 minutes before the news and 20 minutes after. I'm not allowed to trade.
And it's only high impact news, right? It's only like high impact news.
Medium and high.
Medium and high. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I saw it's ugly on my scalping strategies. So
okay.
That for sure is not the best to scalp in the area because they messed up the setup. There's some variation. So
yeah,
in order to be safe, I decided to I will be 20 minutes before, 20 minutes after. I just don't scalp the assets. So on gold, as you can see, we get back to a previous strong support. Okay, on 30 minutes time frame, but we just touch it, like just a small touch, ping, and get up directly on it. So for me, it means that we have to adjust the level. So I will just
Okay.
get it even bigger. So we have two options. Either first I adjust the level to make it bigger, or I decide to draw multiple levels. But if I zoom out, I will. This is a strong level where I had multiple bounds on it,
Mm-hmm.
so it's kind of a very big area when there is a lot of bounds on multiple
Mm-hmm.
levels. So if I decide to draw multiple levels, it will be just as the same as drawing one big level. So this
Okay.
is a strong big area where you have to be careful when the price is in it, but we just bounce it. So now the price is up. What we can expect is to come back to the previous white area there, as you can see, the
Mm-hmm.
previous resistance. So this is where I want to catch the price in 30 minutes after the news. So the goal is this is what I'm watching. The price is trying to go up. So if it reach this
That
area,
resistance. Mm-hmm.
and I will try to get a reversal with the same patterns, as you can see. Nice small revert hammers. It's very clean setup there. I want the same there to catch bounce. If not, it will break up and I have to change the
Yeah.
strategy. That's it. I have. This is the options I'm waiting for gold. For now, I'm waiting for gold to go up because it's very near the previous resistance on 30 minutes time frame for a day trade. On a 5 minute time frame for a scalp on lower time frame, there, let me show you. So we are in the middle between extreme levels. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and same we found again the white area. Okay, it's also a 30 minutes key resistance. So there at that moment, I will keep an eye to get try to scalp on 5 minutes time frame,
Mm-hmm.
but I need with a combination of stochastics oversold, RSI overbought. I mean, stochastics overbought, and for now we have a nice setup, but it's not good enough. It's not strong hammer. The body is too big, but if the body was smaller, I would be already in the trade.
Yeah, but the only thing is like 17 minutes left to the news
Yeah,
as
this
well.
one, no, yeah, no trade, guys. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah.
So for now, I keep an eye on 5 minutes time frame to try to catch up after the news on the resistance. So
Mm-hmm.
you just say to gold, let's meet up there. Okay. On 1 minute time frame, we have a strong uptrend, but no
Mm-hmm.
setup for the moment. So this is the full analysis on my side with the few strategies I follow for live stream on gold. So the goal now is to keep an eye on 5 minutes time frame on the previous resistance that it's just above it, and
Mm-hmm.
see how it will react to the news in 15 minutes. I'm uh, I'm never at peace when there is big news. When I'm in the chart and I have a big news, even if I'm not having a trade, I'm still not at peace. I don't know. The best is when I'm not watching a chart and there is the news. Oh, you had the news? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Let me read the
Oh
chat.
my goodness. I think I like what Haydar said. I think we will change dollar direction today. Exactly, could be. If we break and go bullish, then dollar has potential to be bullish till end of the year, really. And then there are some
Don't
very
promise
wise
me.
people. I love this one. I'm done for the day with $607 just watching you guys. Very, very
Beautiful.
wise decision. Good, good, good. Very wise, for
I
sure.
will verify this afternoon and tonight. I will see if you was able to keep your mental state and not overtrade.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because yeah,
So
it
many
happens.
things.
You say, yeah, I'm done for the day, and
And
without
then goes
knowing,
back. Yeah,
oh, I
yeah.
took a trade.
I know, because it was so good. It was just like telling me, come on,
Exactly.
press
So
the
this is
button.
the
It was
risk
so
when you
good.
watch
Yeah,
analyze
yeah.
when you're done.
Yeah. Anyhow, in 14 minutes, we will know more. But like, looks now, gold is really in no way, anyways. Like, it's nowhere. It's not in any of the zones. Same for me as well. Literally the same analysis as yours. I mean, so yeah,
I
nothing
mean, yeah,
really.
noble sky.
Yeah. What do you think about the forex pairs? Obviously, if the dollar is bullish, we're gonna
So
melt.
for the forex pair, for let's keep the strongest ones. So pound USD, we
Mm-hmm.
bounced it on the previous level. We broke it, came bounce. It was very clean. It was also matching the 50 MA on 30 minutes level. Revert hammer, engulfing candle, stochastics over both. It was such a beautiful day trade to take. I didn't take it. Anyways,
You Ah,
I can't be
no.
everywhere. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's still good to see how it's reacting very well to the
yeah.
levels and key levels and indicators moving average. So it's a good feeling to watch it too.
Mm-hmm.
So there it's bouncing, and now we are between the two levels. One of 5 minutes key level of pound USD. There we had a
Mm-hmm.
bounce during the night, and between the previous support that was broken, now we're resistance. So we are in between. So what we can expect is maybe a pullback from right now to go up. Okay, it's a possibility, but for now, pound USD have nothing to say. And for
Yeah.
USD, same. We are on a small level that it may bounce because there is a lot of rejections on it, or it may just go lower. So for now, there is
Mm-hmm.
nothing strong enough to say, yeah, we have a strong structure. It will break at the news, and
Yeah.
yeah, it will go down or up. We don't have this. We have just the market being flat on a medium between key levels.
Yeah.
And the same
I'm
for gold,
also like,
except for Bitcoin.
I'm thinking how much of the movement we also going to get because obviously it was government shutdown. So I think if I'm right to say, then for 2 months we haven't had NFB.
Yeah, they didn't want to.
Yeah, right. So this is going to be really interesting to see what's going to happen because this is like the first time in 2 months when the government is like releasing something, right? Like officially. So it's going to be really interesting to see what's going to
So
happen.
yeah, what things certain that I know from what I analyze and what also from the fundamental news, it's
Mhm.
everything is uncertain.
For sure. For
That's
sure.
it. Everything is
It's
uncertain for this today news. It's not like previous news or previous month. Now it's very a
mm,
lot of uncertainty. So this is why you should not trade during the news right now.
mhm.
Stay safe, follow the rule of leverage, and yeah, just
Yeah.
react after the market is showing you the hands.
Yeah. That is really wise decision. Really wise. But honestly, I'm excited to see where the market is going to go. I am really excited to see. Um Hadar says, I'm watching to see also Bitcoin has crashed. We want to see it back up trade. Yeah, Bitcoin. I'm not looking at my Bitcoin portfolio. Like I'm just closing my eyes and
Yeah,
I'm
just
pretending.
don't. Just if you have an investment in cryptos, you should not watch it daily.
No,
You will get
no,
bored.
it's not healthy. It is not
Yeah,
healthy.
like one day you are the most happy man alive. Second day you are the most sad person exist. So just
You're the
don't.
saddest
If you have
person.
portfolio invested in cryptos,
Oh man,
just
that's true.
watch it once a month.
I know, I know. That is so so true, so true. Also, guys, just wanted to remind you. So we have news in 10 minutes, but after news are done, so in 25 minutes, we are going to finish the stream, and we are going to have a webinar. And today's webinar is everything about FOMO, so fear of missing out, and I will be talking more about fear, about that emotion, how fear actually can affect us Um, and then yeah, I'm going to just break down also my experiences, how I have went through a different kind of fears through my trading story, and hopefully sharing that is going to, maybe you will find that inspiration or just the light in the end of the tunnel. If you are very fearful trader and always scared to execute or to manage your risk and all these things, then please join the webinar. You can go to your dashboard. So go to the leverage dashboard, and please go to Academy, and then you will see all the webinars, and all you need to do is just register for the webinar. And if you're watching this now and if you won't be able to make the webinar live, just register and you will be able to watch the recording of the webinar. So that is that simple. Okay, Amin is just flying through the charts. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
I told you when there is a big news coming, I'm like, what is happening? What is happening?
What's happening? What is happening? Come on. He's
Ah,
waiting for it. It's
stressful.
okay, guys. We have 8 minutes. We have 8 minutes left, and we will see what is going to happen.
So let's check our trade. We took during the last hour of stream yesterday on Discord during the big news of FOMC. It was yesterday, yes,
Yeah.
night. And so I was taking a trade on Pondian.
Okay.
It was a Pondian trade. Let me show you. It was a nice trade, very stressful. There, exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me show you what you missed. So we broke this small resistance. The price came
Mm-hmm.
on it. It did a nice hammer with small bodies and rejections. So I just decided to zoom in and go to 5 minutes time frame to try to catch a break up of the structure. So for me, it was a nice
Mm-hmm.
pullback to take break of the level, coming on it as a pullback. So I said, yeah, it's easy money.
Easy money. Wow,
There
wow,
is no
wow.
easy money in trading.
No easy money in trading for sure. For sure.
So this is where we had the scene of the crime. So there, as you can see, we have the small consolidation with the weeks on 30 minutes time frame. So there, I draw the level where we had the good structure. So we broke it nicely there with this candle, as you can see. So I just placed my order above, stop loss below, and boom, I was happy. Then I was extremely sad. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the news was there at that moment. At that moment, I saw the spread getting so big, so I had to remove my stop loss fully. It's
Mm-hmm.
risky, so I needed to focus fully and watch it in order to close it manually if needed. So if the price go down and touch my stop loss, I close it because it's
Mm-hmm.
done. But it's just the spread. It was the spread reaching my stop loss, so I removed the stop loss for the news to be calmer. And yeah, as you can see, it was teasing my stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
and boom, later in the night, go up, a win, bravo, nice
Bro.
setup. I slept sad, but I woke up happy.
I slept sad, but I woke up happy.
This is the
That's
story of a lot of trader if they
yeah,
trade the Asian market. So
yeah.
I decided to be an Asian pair, so I have to stay strong.
Mm. Yeah. Really good trade. Well done, well done.
Thank you. A lot of
Really, really
up
good
and
trade.
downs and emotions.
For
So this
sure.
is trading, guys. It's not going straight to your take profit. It's little going to your take profit, teasing your stop loss, and finally going to the take profit. So you see the full spectrum of
Yeah,
emotions, and if you see that live, you will be, come on, you're joking. You know what? I will close the
I know.
trade now, and it will have been
Yeah,
a loss. But if you just let it be, it will have been a win. Or you're just gonna mess up and take another trade to revenge. just accept the losing
Uh,
trade or the winning trade.
yeah, acceptance is a big thing, you guys, in trading. Really, really big thing.
Yeah,
So, by
but
the way,
being
it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes till the news. If you're trading with leverage, make sure your positions are closed.
yeah, no more, no mass.
Unless if you're swing trading, obviously, and your position is open, that's okay. Um, yeah, so it's going to be interesting. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. Are we going to break some levels? What
Yeah,
is
for
going
me,
to
it's looking great to go up, but
is there anyone who thinks that nothing's going to happen?
for me, it's
Or
going
do
up.
you, I don't know. I don't want to guess, but I'm like thinking maybe the
I'm not.
market
I'm not
won't react.
just
Maybe it's
probabilities.
not going to. It's just
Just
like,
probabilities.
yeah, well, just
I
probability. We'll see. So we
high
have
probabilities to go up
less than 3 minutes.
from
Less
from the
than
um, from the price action, not from the news. Okay. For
mm,
me, I always put price action first and add
mm-hmm,
the news. Or if I put the news first, it's only an
mm-hmm.
indication of if I trade or not. That's it. But I don't use the news as a direction. I
Yeah.
use the news only for telling me, yeah, you don't trade or you can
Mm,
trade. But yeah, other will use the news for bias, so it's good. For me, I use only full
yeah.
price action for the direction.
Okay, we have 2 minutes left, you guys. 2 minutes. The price is dancing around already.
Tac,
It is dancing around already.
tan, tan, tan,
Just
tan,
a little bit.
tan, tan.
So we have less than minute. Oh no, still two. Less than 2 minutes.
One
Less than
half,
2 minutes.
1 minute and a half.
Space trade says it can stand a bit still, but it might also go up or down. Obviously, yeah. But that's what I'm saying. Maybe everyone is expecting that this is going to be the biggest move because nothing has happened for like 2 months, right? No NFP. So now everyone is just kind of like, oh, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? So
Yeah,
we just
I
need to
had this. Yeah, I had this kind of flop. We call it full hype for nothing, and it's just the market was
wait.
flat.
Yeah, like it can happen. I've actually
Yes,
seen flat NFPs, which is
same.
ridiculous. But yeah, it's really interesting. So now we do have less than a minute left, and we are going to see what's going to happen on this NFP. Really special one. We haven't had NFP for 2 months. Now the government is finally going to release some data, and we'll see how the market is going to react. So this could be that catalyst for either dollar to go very bullish or to reject that resistance that we were talking about and go bearish. So, and that's obviously if dollar is strong, EU is going to go down. If dollar is weak, EU is going to go up. And obviously, the third thing is it can just go both ways, go up, down, leave wicks, and then just, pick a direction after. So, okay, 25 seconds left. The spreads are shaking around already. It's getting exciting. We're going to see what's going to happen. So, guys, if you have trades open, good luck to you. I'm really sorry about you.
Yes, just close the eyes, guys. Wait 5 minutes,
Just
closing the eyes.
close your eyes. Close your eyes. So,
Boom,
five,
spread huge. Oh
4,
my
3,
god.
2, 1. Boom. Oh
What?
my goodness.
Breakdown. Okay.
Whoa,
Okay. Okay.
whoa. Okay. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, left the wick.
Nice. I
Left the
hate
wick. What's
cutting the
gonna
news.
happen next? You guys, gold is down. Gold is down. Like,
It's
look
been
at the gold.
such a long week on USD.
Yep. But look
Wow,
at the
gold,
gold.
no week.
No, it's just going down. Absolutely melting.
So yeah, guys, as you can see, it's risky.
For sure.
It's
For sure.
very sensitive, so don't take it
And
lightly.
now
It's
it's
not joke.
up. And now
Wow,
it's up.
wow, 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 wow.
Wow. Oh my
Chill.
goodness. It's just
What are you
like
doing?
31 pip. Just
Look the
like,
forex. There is no logic. Look, working fully
yeah.
down. go up,
Yeah.
reaching the next level.
Yep. Yep. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at the gold wicks as well. So this was the weird one. Like I said, the other one could be where we leave the wicks. So this is going to run up and now it's going to run down as well. So it's, yeah, sad,
Let me see
sad time for
Bitcoin.
you guys.
Bitcoin not. Oh, Bitcoin go up strongly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
so yeah,
left the wick and then went.
so Bitcoin reacted the mostly well without any strange wicks.
Mm-hmm.
Nice break up, fully respecting the structure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Bitcoin was the cleanest. Euro USD, it was a total mess. Pound, same.
Absolutely.
And gold, uh, yeah, it's a gold
Gold
is a
is
joke.
weird. Yeah.
So let me see SP 500.
On 1 minute.
SP 500, 1 minute. Yeah, nice pump.
Nice. Very, very good bullish pump.
Guys. So yeah, before in my early days, I was trading the news, was scalping the news, and it was the most stressful area of my life in trading.
Yeah,
Like
scalping
I
news
was
is
waiting in my palms before the news kicks in, and I had to take the trades during the news. It
yeah.
was horrible feeling, and I felt getting older by each news trade.
Yeah, the body was like, no, I can't, you can't put me through this stress. Like you just can't do that.
Yeah.
You can't.
So even I was maybe not even able to eat before.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys,
Hey Darcy, market is going somewhere. Market is doing something. Yeah, for sure.
market is
For
going
sure. But
up
what
as expected.
up is expected? Yeah. I don't know. But I am very curious about like these levels, what's gonna happen now, like where the wicks went for EUGU and all that. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Really interesting to see what's gonna happen next if we are going to, go bullish or not. And also for the DXY, so dollar didn't really react that much. Like it wasn't that crazy.
Yeah, it was more the European assets
Yeah.
who made a mess. It was a total mess,
It
taking
made
the
a
stop
mess.
loss
Yeah, I
everywhere.
agree. I agree. It made a big mess. Oh, gold is dumping again.
Ah,
It's like, what is happening?
this is
How
why
how can
I
you
don't
trade
wait
in
5 minutes. I
this
wait 20 minutes because the effect can still last.
condition? Yeah.
For scalpers, I mean, for scalpers, it's still too early. For me, at least for my strategy, I know it's
Yeah.
not good for me to still be inside with big news.
Too early to say. Too early.
We need a reset of the chart.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going to happen, honestly. I have no clue because it like leaves the wicks on both ways. So this is almost like indecision candle.
Exactly. This is it. This big indecision,
Hmm.
very big. This is what we have in pound USD and euro USD. As you can see, we have long wicks up and down and big body.
Yeah.
It doesn't know. So when it's like this, I don't trade. I just don't. I don't scalp.
Yeah.
It's too risky. This is the best way to take losing trades. And if you win, it was only luck.
It was only that. Exactly. Exactly. And I think also in conditions like this, which is going to lead really nicely in today's webinar, is that actually market conditions can add to your FOMO. And when you see a lot
Exactly.
of movement in the market, it for sure is going to add to your fear of missing out. You are going to be wanting to be in that market and profit from that market. And it's just adding, it's like, what happens when you have a fire and when you put the oil in the fire is just going to explode.
True.
Right? And it's the same with that FOMO feeling. When you see market move like this, it's just like it's just exploding.
Yeah,
Your emotions are
you react.
exploding. Yeah. And yeah, and then the worst part is that you had a FOMO, right? And what happens then is you let that FOMO affect your thinking, and you almost convince yourself, hey, but I'm going to trade this. I'm going to trade this. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. And it's just like that dialogue between, like, monologue, really. You're talking to yourself, right? And you're convincing yourself that it's okay. You want to be involved in this and you want to trade. And that's what happens when you have FOMO, when you see market conditions exactly like this. And you just, yeah, very easy to get out of control. Really easy to get out of control for this. So, yeah. But yeah, we'll see what's going to
So it was a
happen.
nice, show of how the market can impact you and make a mess of your trades.
For sure. For sure.
First, the spread gets big, and then we start strongly on one direction, and it was a feint up. I got you. I'll change the direction.
Mhm.
So this is very risky.
Yeah, for sure.
So
Yeah,
yes, I
from the low.
suggest to anyone who start trading, please do not scalp and do not trade the news.
Do not trade in news. No, for sure. Do not trade in news. That's like the worst. The worst decision is to.
Yeah, this is the
That's gonna
worst.
be the
There is
worst.
different level of force, and the worst is trading the news. Like in all points, it's truly the
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know. Like, I think just the best way, even if it is touching your levels, the price is so volatile that most likely it's just gonna break through the levels anyways.
yeah, it's
So
risky. Yeah.
yeah, just I think we've used so many words, like risky and volatile, and those words should signal to your brain that, hey, you need to stay out. You need to stop and you need to stay
Exactly.
out of this. Yeah.
So totally, it's to calm you down and don't put your greed or FOMO to try to catch a green candle
Yeah,
going slowly up.
I
It's not.
agree.
We are not in our best conditions for traders. This is
Mm-hmm.
not a good spot for a trader because a trader is need consistency and need patterns to follow with strict structure. There,
Yeah,
it's only chaos and a mess.
that is so true. So true. Um, yeah. I am really interested to see what's going to happen with those levels. Are we going to stop somewhere or we are not going to stop?
It's
So
strongly up, huh?
it's just going to
So, yeah, dollar is fully down, maybe.
um not not like fully down. Obviously, yeah, bearish momentum there. Um yes, we do have the news rule. So 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after, you cannot trade unless you're trading sprint account. In sprint account, trading is allowed. Twin says just
Wait,
got
wait,
stopped out.
wait. Hello, Anita.
Yeah, hi mom. Just got stopped out. What were you trading?
Yeah, this is. Oh, I was asking this. What are
Yeah,
you doing?
what are you what were you trading? What were you?
Explain us the trade, please.
Okay, I am going to show you like an example. So this is like really tempting, right? So I can see that there was a level, right, in here, and now the price touched that level. And we already feel like we have pushed so much, right? And this is the self-talk of a trader. I'm sure this is it. This is the top, and I'm going to try to catch it. Please don't. Just don't. And the thing is,
True.
even if it's going to react from this, and let's say even if it's going to dump, just take this as a data and say, hey, trading after the news is just too risky, so don't do it. And that's what I'm saying. Like, see the levels like this that you see through the news, they just might completely be broken in next 5 minutes. Literally, you might see that the price is going to push lower, but I think it's just for the common sense for yourself, right? Just be gentle to yourself, right? That's what I'm trying to say. Be gentle. Don't put your body through the stress of trying to figure out where's going to be the top or the bottom. Just don't do it. Just leave it be. Wait for the news to calm down. If you want to trade, just step away, obviously. And this is for scalping, right? For scalping. But don't try to convince yourself for the setup. Hello, Bolt Builder. Hello, how are you? Happy Thursday.
So,
Adar says, true. Yeah. Let's not force any trades. Let's not force it. Just let it be. Let it see what's going to happen if we're going to still push. Because to be fair, if I, calculate, so the wick was about 14 pips, which is not that much, right? And then we had this initial push of 32 pips. It's also not that much. So if the price is going to stay strong bullish, we can easily reach like these highs in here, right? So no point forcing this. So no point catching the top. It's the same thing we say, don't catch the falling knife. The same thing. Don't catch
don't
the
catch
top.
the rocket.
Yeah, don't catch the rocket. No point. No point in catching the rocket. Just leave it be. Leave it be. So yeah, I am going to leave it be. I'm not going to catch, like, even though, see, like this was bearish closure. Yes, this is my setup. No, thank you. We're just not going to trade today. Sorry, guys. Live trading room, but no live trade. We're just
Sorry.
not going to trade.
But it's a good example.
Right, exactly. Like staying safe is much better. So, and the one way how you can stay safe when you're a trader is you just do not put any positions on. That's it. Simple. Very, very, very simple. So yeah, guys, anyhow, I hope y'all survived your NFP, first NFP in 2 months. Very, very interesting moment
Very
in the
stressful.
history. Very stressful. I know, but it's less stressful when you're not trading and when you're just trying to see what's happening in the market. So
It's
yeah,
already stressful a little bit when you are not trading, just watching the market. Can you imagine you have a position?
if you're
Can you
actually
imagine you have a big position over
for sure.
size? This is the total mess.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. So it's definitely just let's stay safe. Anyhow, guys, we are going to wrap up the session. Let's see what the gold is doing. Gold is doing something, kind of trying to find some kind of resistance. So yeah, gold is doing something. Anyhow, guys, we are going to finish the session. Have a lovely, lovely evening or afternoon, depends where you are. I hope you really survived this NFP. And guys, please go and join the webinar. The webinar is going to start in 15 minutes from now on. So join the webinar. Let's talk about FOMO. And yeah, we will see you next week on the YouTube. Right, guys, take care. And we will see you after. Bye.
Bye.